Hello everyone. My topic is credit card management system, for which I created a full stack application called Credit Log. For front end, I used ReactJS, and for backend, I used Java Spring Boot, and for database, I used MySQL. Let me take into my website, and this is my admin login. If I enter some incorrect password, uh, invalid username or password is displayed. When I enter the correct password, I navigate into my home page. In home page, I have a header, footer, and sidebar for navigation to the required details and sponsored ads. Let me take to my add or update transaction. For add or update transaction, I wrote a same method where I used conditional display. I will create first. I'll create a new transaction, like 4,000 rupees. Some for office shopping. I purchased in Zudio. This is current date time, and category is 2, and credit card ID is 2. Now the transaction created successfully. Let me show you in the database. As you can see, it is transaction ID 12, 4,000 rupees office shop. And now I'll update the transaction. Now we'll update the 12th transaction itself. The data is fetched here. Now I'll change the merchant name to Zara. And it updated successfully. The message pops here. As you can see, it is changed to Zara. If I enter some incorrect transaction, no transactions found. And if I try to create, it pops me the errors, validation errors, different end. And I'll search for transaction. We'll search for 12th transaction itself. It displayed. And if I give some negative transaction, transaction ID is required and it must be positive number. View transaction. It is my fetch all method where all the transactions are displayed. Since it is a use table, I used scroll bar in horizontal direction and filtered by merchant. If I enter some merchant name like Amazon, I'll get the required details. And now I'll show total spend by card. If I enter the card ID 3, the total spent amount is displayed here. And average spent on category ID. Let me category 5. For category 5, the average amount spent is 1,866. If I enter 2, it is 4,000 rupees. Okay, next, total spend, which is above 5,000 rupees. Spent by card ID and the total spent amount card ID 2, 3, and ordered by date. This is my named query. I'll fetch. It will nicely display everything. And count by merchant. Now let me enter Amazon. There are 2 transactions made in Amazon and a rounded amount. The amounts are round to like 1,500.75 means 1,500.8. And you can see the data and uppercase description. The description are changed to uppercase. And with credit card, where credit card number, where I used join query, you can see the card number is also displayed. And sort by prefix. If I enter some prefix as A, the Amazon is fetched. And if I enter Z, is it Studio? These things are displayed by merchant name. And so this is my child table. If it's 2, the credit card ID 2 is the data is displayed. And view all, as you can see. And if I log out, it will come back to the login page. One thing to know here is if I try to navigate to some other pages, since this is running on a local machine, I can navigate right. So if I give add transaction, it will not be navigated to that page because I used private routing for security purpose. That's all. Thank you.